Let's start your question number 8. Rekha opened a recurring deposit account for 20 months. The rate of interest is 9% per annum. Rekha receives rupees 441 as interest at the time of maturity. Find the amount Rekha deposited per month. So here, let me write first question number 8. So you have to calculate here the monthly deposit or money deposited per month. So for that we will go for the first. See here, let the money deposited per month be rupees P. Then time T, which is given in your number of months, so we can write, no need to write time T, we can write number of months is equal to months, comma 10 is equal to 20 months, so n is equal to here 20 months. Then R is equal to rate of interest, R is equal to rate of interest is equal to 9%. So I is equal to P into R by 100 into n bracket n plus 1 by 2 into 12. So as per your question, 441 is your interest. So I can write here 441 is equal to P into R 9 by 100 into 20 into 21 by 2 into 12. As I have told you how to calculate n plus 1. So you use that one. Then 9 3 ja, sorry 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20. Then you will get here 15 by 15 and 21 here, then divided by 200. So here I can write 15 into 21 divided by 100 into 2 P, here 441. So P is equal to 441 into 100 into 2 divided by 50 into 21. You know that 21 square is equal to 441. So here it will cancel directly 21. Then 5 3 ja 15, 5 20 ja 100. So again 7 ja. So it will be 47 ja rupees 280. So money deposited per month is here 280. This is all about your question number 8. So let's go for the question number 9. So in case of question number 9, let me rub the board first, then we will start. See, question number 9, let us start. Then Mohan has recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% PA, simple interest. If he gets rupees 1200 as the interest at the time of maturity, find the monthly installment and amount of maturity. So here you have to calculate both the things, maturity value and monthly installment. So first let's start. And question number 9, let the money deposited per month be rupees P. Here R is equal to 6%. Then time, comma T is equal to 2 years. So here you can write number of months, comma n is equal to 2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. So let us calculate the interest. Interest formula I is equal to P into R by 100 into n plus 1 by 2 into 12. You have to memorize this formula. It will help. Otherwise, so I is equal to 1200. This is given in your book. So 1200 is equal to P you don't know, R is equal to 6 by 100 into 24 into 25 by 2 into 12. As I have told you, I am solving the question from M.A. Agrawal book. So you have to prefer that book and you will get all the questions. And you have to prefer the latest edition book. So 6 2 ja 12, then 25 4 ja 100, then 2 2. 4 means here it will be 6. So here 1200 is equal to 6p by 4. So here p is equal to 1200 into 4 by 6. So 6 200, yeah. So your principal or the monthly deposit will be 800. Then what you have to calculate next? The first one you have completed, bit number 1. Bit number 2, you have to calculate the maturity value. Maturity value is equal to your NP plus I. So N you have calculated, N you know 24, P is equal to 800 plus your interest is equal to 1200. So 24 8 you have to calculate that one to 16 192 100 plus 1200. So it will be equal to 20400. So rupees 20,400 will be your answer. In this way you have to solve this kind of problems. So my dear friends, let's start your question number 10. Mr. R.K. Nair gets rupees 6,455 at the end of 1 year at a rate of 14% per annum in a recurring deposit account. Find the monthly installment. So you have to calculate how much money he has to pay for every month. See how I am solving this one. First one, let the money deposited per month be rupees P. Here R is equal to R percent is equal to 14%. Time is equal to comma T is equal to 1 year. So here you can write number of months comma N is equal to 12 months. So you have to first here calculate I. I formula is here. I is equal to P into R by 100 into N bracket N plus 1 by 2 into 12. So here I can write P you don't know, R is equal to 14 by 100, N is equal to 12, so N plus 1 will be 13, 2 into 12. So now you can cancel it, 2, 7 ja 14, 12 cancel. 13, 7 91. It will be 91p by 100. So now your maturity value formula is here NP plus I. And you know that here your maturity value is given as 6455. So now N is your 12p plus 91p by 100. So here you can write directly 6455 is equal to, take the LCM 100. So here it will be 1200p plus 91p. So now 6455 is equal to 1291p by 100. So p is equal to 6455 into 100 by 1291 5 just see here 1 is there, here 5 is there. You take 5 first and multiply with 1291. You will definitely get 5. So you cancel these two and is equal to write 500 rupees 500. So underline this one and write answer. So this way you can solve the question number 10. Let's start your question number 11. Samita has a recurring deposit account in a bank of rupees 2,000 per month at the rate of 10% PA. If she gets rupees 83,100 at the time of maturity, find the total time for which the account was held. So let us start. So first one, question number, we are doing question number 11. So here, let the time be T years. Be T years. Then P is equal to money deposited or month is equal to rupees 2000. R is equal to 10%. R is equal to rate of interest is equal to 10%. Then your I. So I is equal to P into R by 100 into n bracket n plus 1 by 2 into 12. So P is equal to your 2000, R is equal to your 10 by 100 into n we don't know. So n into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 you write. Then now 0 cancel, then 2 5 yeah, then again 4 3 yeah, and 4 5 yeah, 4 5 yeah is equal to 20. So it will be 25 by 3 n bracket n plus 1. Now, what is the maturity value? Maturity value formula is NP plus I. So I can write here maturity value is equal to 83,100. 83,100 yes. Then NP, N you don't know, P is equal to 2000 plus 25 by 3 n bracket n plus 1. Now you take 25 common from here. 25, if you take common, 25, if you take common, then it will be 25. If you take common, then it will be equals to your 8. It will be how much? It will be your 20, 25. You have taken common here. 25, 8 yeah, your 200. So it will be 80n plus n square plus n by 3. Like this you have to write. Then it will be again 83100 is equal to 25 here, and here let me write here 3 240 n plus n square plus n. So now it will be 83100 is equal to 25 by 3 bracket n square plus 241 n. So now it will be equals to n square plus 241 n is equal to 83100 into 3 by 25. So now you cancel this one. So here 831. Here see 25 here 100 is 0 is there, means 100 is there. So you can directly multiply 831 into 4, then you will get the value. 831 into 4, it will be equals to 3, 4, 12, 1, 32, 33 into. So here what you have to write here? Here it will be 831 into 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So now 3 again. 3 means how much it will be? It will be equals to your 12, 617, 9972. So n square plus 241 n is equal to 9972. Now let me take this portion. And n square plus 241 n minus 9972 is equal to 0. So let me prime factorize this one. 2 means it will be 4. Then here it will be 4 means it will be 1 here. Then 4 9 18, 4 8 2 8 16 6. Then again 2 2, 4, 9, again 2, 4, sorry, here it will be 18, 9, correct, then 3, then again 3, 8, 8, 3, 1. So now let us solve this one. So here it will be equals to 831. Can we use here once again 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, 3 7 ja 21. So now you multiply this all. 277 into 36 is equal to 9972. 277 minus 36 is equal to 241. So here we can use that one. N square plus 277 n minus 36 n minus 9972 is equal to 0. So n bracket n plus 277 bracket minus 36 bracket n plus 277. I am doing here prime factorization, nothing else. Then it will be n minus 36 and n plus 277 is equal to 0. So you know that time can never be negative. So you have to write here n is equal to 36 or n is equal to minus 277. In this bracket you write impossible. Impossible. Then so n is equal to 36 months. So convert it into years. So t is equal to 36 by 12 years. So which will be equal to 3 years. So here the basic thing, how to factorize the bigger number. So here I have done how to factorize this one. So best of luck for your this chapter, and you do practice so that it will be very easy chapter this one.